Hey y'all, it's flipping freezing outside, but I gotta go and feed and water these chickens, like I have to every single morning. But we had a huge ice storm last night out of flipping nowhere. My flipping face is breaking up. But the trees, everything is frozen. I don't think you guys can see it too good now. Not really. But you do see icicles all over the place. So let's go and do this, yeah. I can't do this again. Get the flip on my way. Get the flip. Get the flip. Is everybody alive? Yeah, everybody's alive. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Move. Personal space, please. Personal space. Jesus. Hey, get off the bucket, you cheater. Water's frozen. It looks horrible in here because I ain't able to clean it because it's winter and we don't have enough of it. Ooh. Look what I found. I found an egg. Ow! That hurt. Now I gotta replace our water. There's a chicken outside. That's the guy that when I flip and open the door. Let's go get their water. Alright, so I just fed them, just watered them all. Now what I like to do after that, I like to go out and do another run check. I like to, when I get done feeding and water them, I go out there, sit out there for a second and watch them all. Now, especially when during the winter, I like to check their feathers and their feet and their beaks and stuff and their combs to make sure they're healthy. I like to check to see if anyone's sneezing like crazy or anything like that. I also do it to the ducks and the one Hitler's in. So let's go out there and do that real quick. I didn't record me walking back and forth the water bucket, so to save you guys some boredom. Let's go out here. No. Foot's stuck in the door. She's got a bald spot on her back. We're gonna have to cycle her, put her in there with the ducks, because he seems to be the rooster's favorite right now. A lot of the times in this cold weather, even during the summer, they seem to do it. They cut their flipping feet on everything. So another thing I do is I like to check, make sure the feet are right. Not much you can really do. I mean, just look at it, see how bad of a cut it is, really. 2 days ago, it was in the like 30s, almost 40s. So I had the door open to let it vent out, and I made a little path in the snow for them all to walk in to help make sure it ventilated. But I don't see nothing wrong with anybody. Rooster looks alright, his comb seems alright. Yeah, that red thing on top of their head usually gets frostbite. The first thing that gets frostbite. I know, it's bothering me. It's dirty in here. You guys know how clean this coop is during the summer. Alright, let's go check on the brooder. Alright, new food, new water. There's Hitler, right there. White rooster. He's a crazy one. Well, y'all, make sure to like and subscribe for more content like this. A lot of walking around in the snow, which is why I have this video in clips. So yeah, soon I'm going to be incubating Buff Orpington chickens, and I'll be recording that whole entire process. So get ready for that video if you guys are interested. That's it. Bye, y'all.